Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can reverse a video in Wondershare Filmora. So let's start the video. So first of all we need to open Filmora. Now you have to click on the plus option to select a video. So let's select this video. Now you have to add this video to the project. Now if you play this video you can see. So this is the starting of this video. Now if we want to reverse this video, then we have to click here. Now as you can see there is the option reverse, so you have to click this. Now if you play this video you can see there is the difference. It is reversing the video. The video is reversed. So this is how you can reverse a video on Filmora Wondershare. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.